What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Stephan Wommack and today is the 6th of December. So once again, I will be editing one of your pictures. Now I've got these pictures right here of Stephan. He sent me these pictures of his fashion brands for me to edit them in this video, and that's what I'm gonna do. But also, you guys requested this UFO361 look a lot, the one where he is in front of that Rolls Royce and he has those Rolls Royce signs and like other parts and chunks of pictures kind of blended into the picture. So I thought, why not create this look, this picture from these pictures that you, Stephan, sent me. I hope you like this idea of me kind of matching these two videos, these two formats together. And this is what we're gonna end up with right here. We're gonna take your pictures, Stephan, and we're gonna put them all together and create this collage right here. And then of course also I've created a preset to then later add those UFO361 colors to those pictures as well to make them look like this right here. And I think this really kind of gives it a creative touch, and I hope that not only you, Stephan, will like the result, but also it will satisfy all of you guys requesting that UFO361 look. So that's what we're gonna do today. We only will need our smartphone, the free Over app, and the free Lightroom app linked under this video right here. And I've also created a Lightroom preset for you. It's in that all presets pack right now with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste. Make sure to check that out as well. Link is under this video. Let's dive right in. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And of course, if you have any questions or ideas, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Stephan Wommack is my handle. And if you want me to edit your picture in the next videos, send it to me on Instagram as well. I'm really excited to see all of your pictures, and maybe I can create something nice, and the next video is gonna be about your picture. Now I've said enough, let's jump right into the edit. What we will need, of course, is our smartphone. And the first thing we wanna do is open those pictures, the one of Stephan in this case, in the free Over app to create the collage look. So we go to Over, open it up right here, then we hit Image on the upper left side. And now you just want to choose the picture that you want to start off with. This picture right here in the photo, so I hit the check mark on the upper right side. And then I hit Image again, down here on the left, and now I'll choose the second picture that I want to have, this one right here. So it's gonna be laid on top of this. And now let's start off with this. I'm just gonna make it fit the image, hit the check mark on the upper right side, and now you can see those layers, that layer icon on the upper right side here, and this is where we can choose which image will be on top of the other one. So on top is the image that is also on top right here, and if we click that, pull it down, you can now see that it's behind this image right here, which is what we want. But first, I want to make it a little bigger, so I pull that back up here, and now I click it and just zoom it until we have that nice logo right there. And then again, I go here, pull it under, go down. And now what we want to do to this image is edit right here, and now you want to choose the mask tool on the right side right there, and now you can see that soft circle to the left down here, which is what we want to choose. And now we can just kind of erase the image where we don't want it to be, so around here, and you can already see we're blending in the image in the background. Now what we want to do is kind of cut around his head really softly, so we zoom in here to make everything a little more detailed, so we don't kind of brush over his face, because we want to cut that out. So we want to be really careful here, and the better you work here, the more realistic it's gonna look in the end. So we're just gonna swipe around here. This might take a while, but really make sure to take your time on this and go as detailed as you can, and really try and do a good job on those corners here. Now if you zoom in here, and if you accidentally brush over the shoe and you want it to be in the picture, what you can do is just hit that circle on the right side here and brush back over it, and it will recreate the shoe or whatever you erased, and then you can just recreate that and then choose this tool again and just go over it again. This is how you kind of so now we have the left part showing that label in the back, which I think looks cool already. Could be kind of that Rolls-Royce logo that UFO361 has in his picture. Now let's just hit the check mark for this. We can always go back to editing this, and now we want to bring our third picture in here, so we hit image on the bottom left again. Now we just choose that next picture, which I want to be this one right here, and now you can just pull it to where you like it again, increase it, decrease it, whatever you want here. I would like it to look like this, and now we hit the check mark again, and now again we go to edit and choose the mask right here, hit the soft mask, and now we can just erase this side to bring back what we have just created underneath right there. And now I want that picture that he's holding overlap a little bit right there. I'll do the corners more softly later, so right there kind of looks good. And now I hit the check mark, and now still if I click it, I can still pull the image to where I want it, and I can still resize it right there, maybe make it even a little smaller to around here maybe. This looks kind of cool. And now again, I'm just gonna take care of the corners, make it all look a little clearer, and then once we're done, we can export it on the upper right side and it will be saved to our camera roll. Now I think you understand how it works. Just to save you some time, I want to show you, I've created this picture right here and I'm really happy with it. Once again, make sure to really get those corners clean. And now to really upgrade it, we have this picture right here. Now we want to edit it in the free Lightroom app, and I really wanted to bring it as close to that UFO361 inspired picture as I could. So I created a color preset for the free Lightroom app. It's linked under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you could just easily paste to every one of your pictures. And the cool thing about the pack is that every time I create new presets, that's automatically updated to that all presets pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week, or at the moment even every day. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And now we want to open this picture in the free Lightroom app and just paste that preset on top, and I'll show you how it's gonna look. So we open Lightroom, we have our picture here, we scroll all the way to the right side here, go to presets, and here you can see that UFO361 Collage preset. I'll click that, and now you can see the colors have changed. I hit the check mark, export it to camera roll, and I have the finished picture. And this is it, guys. Right here you can see the before and after. I think we really came close to that UFO361 look. And also, Stephan, I hope you're happy with this maybe a little more creative than usual edit that we did, because we did the collage, we did the colors, all these kind of things. I hope you guys are happy with this tutorial, with this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And of course, if you want me to edit your picture, feel free to DM it to me on Instagram, at Stephan Wommack is my handle. Or of course, if you have any other questions or just new ideas for new videos, always feel free to DM me there. Now, thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next tutorial. Until then, stay healthy, stay creative, peace.